friends. Hey. Shh. Shh. No. Hello, our friends. Get those pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a character from The Office. And we're going to start with drawing Sweet Pam Beesly. Oh gosh, the little sweetheart. All right. So I'm going to start this out in pencil, and I'm going to do a caricature. So I'm going to have her face right here, her head back here, there's her hair. We got an ear, and we've got her curly hair. Okay, so here we go. We're gonna start with the side of the face. It's gonna come down where her eye is, and then she's got a cheek that comes out and down. And we're gonna come around side of the head like so. Then we've got a neck right here, and the ear is like a letter C. And then we'll put another little line in here and a backward C for the inside of the ear. And then we're gonna have one eyeball here like a little arch, and another backwards arch underneath of it. And then we're gonna space that out and come over here and do another arch. Her great big eyes, just like that. And I think I'm gonna try to make these a little bit bigger. I'm gonna double up the line, and then I'm gonna make these a little smaller. There we go. And she's looking off to the, what would that be, the right? And I'm just gonna make this dark, but leave a little light in there for a highlight. And then here she's still looking off to the right, because your eyes tend to go the same direction unless you've been injured. There we go. And then we've got the hair that comes across and has a little zigzag and comes back up. And then this part comes down, goes behind her ear, just like that. Then we've got some eyebrows up here. They kind of just, they start big up here, and then they just kind of fall away, just like that. Okay, so they're not super arched. And we've got a little Beesly nose, and then it comes up, around like that. Okay. Then for the back of the head, come back around, come out. Okay, and then we've got some more hair over here. And now we're gonna get her body in. Okay, so her body's gonna be really small because we're doing like a caricature. So we're gonna have her neck come down, and it's gonna get really small like that. And then we've got a V here for her shirt, and we have another V on one side for the collar, and then on the other side, the collar, you see more of it, so it comes down and then has a V. And then we're gonna have it come down like so. We're gonna have little shoulders here, and she's got her hands clasped together, just like that. And then we'll draw, because she's got like a little colored shirt on. There's her arms. And then here's where her jacket or sweater ends. And we've got a little skirt. And we're gonna put some tiny little legs on. There we go. All right. And let's just put a little suggestion of curly curlies. And then here's the other side of her hair. There we go. Oh, what did we forget? Oh yeah, the mouth. Okay, so for the mouth, we're gonna start down here. We're gonna have a line coming up. Start right here, line coming up. And we're gonna go down. Put a little line in the middle. And we'll put a little chinny line there. And I think we've got it. I think, you know, there's Pam, sweet little Pam. Yeah. Put a line there. She kind of pulls her hair back. All right, hey, if you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to Middle School Art Mania. Thanks for watching and drawing with me.